In this video, I'll show you how to add blank page in Microsoft Excel. If you have been wanting to learn how to add blank page in Microsoft Excel, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, head over to your desktop background. This is our desktop background, right? So I'll click on this. This is our Microsoft Excel icon. I'll click on it and wait for it to open. I'll give it a few seconds for it to load. So this is our Excel display dashboard, right? This is our Excel display dashboard. So what you need to do, you need to click on this blank document. You'd click on this blank document, right? Click on this blank document. So this is it. This is how you can add a blank page in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.